Welcome to Guided Calm. I will be guiding you through this short body scan meditation today. So let's start by finding a comfortable position, seated on a chair, on the floor, or perhaps even lying down. If you wish and it feels comfortable to you, you can close your eyes. Now bring your attention to your body wherever you're seated. Feel the weight of your body against the chair or against the floor. Take a few deep breaths, bringing more oxygen and more energy into your body. And now take another deep breath, and as you exhale, have a sense of relaxing more deeply. Notice the sensations of your feet touching the floor. You might notice the weight of your feet on the floor and the pressure between your feet and the floor. Perhaps you notice vibrations or feelings of heat. Just notice these things and then allow your feet to soften. Now notice the pressure of your legs against the chair and any feelings of heaviness or lightness in your legs. Allow your legs to soften. Notice how your back feels, and if you are sitting on a chair, bring your attention to any feelings of pressure of your back against the chair. And whilst keeping your back straight, if you're sitting upright, allow your back to soften. Now bring your attention to your stomach area. If your stomach feels tense or tight, let it soften. Notice your hands. Are your hands feeling tense or tight? See if you can allow them to soften. Notice your arms and your shoulders. Feel any sensations in your arms and shoulders, and then let your arms and shoulders be soft. Notice your neck and your throat. Let them be soft and relaxed. Now soften your jaw. Let your face and facial muscles also be soft. Now when you're ready, in your own time, you can slowly open your eyes. And notice how your body now feels. Wiggle your fingers and toes and even take a stretch. I hope you enjoyed today's guided calm body scan meditation. I hope to see you back here tomorrow.